Okay, I've got this thing back together. The battery's on, everything's ready to test and start. So I don't know, we're gonna do it together. I didn't actually do this, so if this thing starts on fire, we're gonna be in it together. But all right, let's try it. Okay, battery's on. Do the preheat. Make sure this key's off. There we go. Look at that. Beauty. All right, let's see if this thing moves. Oh man, so happy. All right. Okay, so we got it. This is pretty sick. Awesome stuff. All right, okay, let's button her all up and double check this. See, this is the thing, right? I put a new ignition switch, so hopefully we'll be fine. All right, the operation is back in action. All right, so all the units are working good so far. I did have to tighten the track on the excavator. I didn't show you guys that, but I had to lift up one side of it with the boom and put some grease in the tracks. All right, this is so sweet. I'm gonna give it a go.